So we'll see some details. The center of an equilateral triangle divides each median in the ratio 2:1. These are all the standard results we know, right? Equation of the line which passes through the point of intersection of the line a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 is a1x plus b1y plus c1 plus k into a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, where k is a real number. This is from family of straight lines, right? And the third one, in center of a triangle with vertices x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 is a x1 plus b x2 plus c x3 by a plus b plus c, comma a y1 plus b y2 plus c y3 by a plus b plus c, where a, b, c are respectively length of the side BC, AC and AB. So we'll see some problems. A triangle formed by the lines AX plus BY plus C equal to 0, LX plus MY plus N equal to 0 and PX plus QY plus R equal to 0, given that the triangle is not right angled. Show that the straight line AX plus BY plus C by AP plus PQ, which is equal to LX plus MY plus N by LP plus MQ, passes through the orthocentre of the triangle. So let the given lines be first line, Lx plus My second line, and Px plus Qy plus R equal to 0 third line. Right? B represents the sides AB, BC and CA of triangle ABC. First method, the vertex B is the point of intersection of the lines 1 and 2. And the altitude BE passes through the point B, right? So the equation of BE is AX plus BY plus C plus K into LX plus MY plus N equal to 0 by the above note number 2. That is equation number 4. Where K is any real number, we know that the slope of the line AX plus BY plus C equal to 0 is m is equal to minus a by b. That is the formula. The equation of b is, so a plus KL into x, right? So from 4 we are rewriting, grouping x, y constant term, right? So x term ax plus KL into x, right? So a plus KL into x. Similarly by plus k into my. So y is common, take it outside, b plus km into y plus c plus kn equal to 0, right? Slope of b is m1 equal to, so using that formula, right, above formula, ax b plus by plus c equal to 0 in capital letters, whose slope is m is equal to minus a by b. So here instead of m we are taking m1, so using the line equation, right, b, right? So here a is small a plus KL and b is small b plus Km, right? So minus a by b means minus a plus KL by b plus Km, right? Now slope of CA, that is equation of the slope of the equation number 3, m2 is equal to minus p by q, right? Since B is perpendicular to CA, so product of the slope equal to minus 1. So m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So substituting the value of m1 and m2, minus a plus KL by b plus Km into minus p by q, which is equal to minus 1. So minus into minus plus, multiplying with p in the numerator and q in the denominator. So AP plus KL p by BQ plus KMQ is equal to minus 1. So AP plus KLP, which is equal to cross multiplying 1 minus 1 into BQ plus KMQ. So that is equal to AP plus KLP multiplying with minus BQ minus KMQ. So K into grouping K. So taking that minus KMQ to the left hand side, it will become plus KMQ. So K is common, take it outside, K into LP plus MQ. Then bring that AP from left hand side to right hand side, minus BQ minus AP. right? So therefore K is equal to minus BQ plus AP by LP plus MQ. So put K is equal to minus BQ plus AP by LP plus MQ in equation number 4. So equation of BE is AX plus BY plus C minus BQ plus AP by LP plus MQ into LX plus MY plus N equal to 0. That is equation number 5. So that is AX plus BY plus C, which is equal to, take that minus term to the other side, which is equal to BQ plus AQ by LP plus MQ into LX plus MY plus N. This implies just AX plus BY plus C, just cross multiply other side numerator to the left side, right hand side numerator to the left hand side. So it will come to the denominator, right? AX plus BY plus C by BQ plus AP, which is equal to LX plus MY plus N by LP plus MQ, which is the equation of the altitude BE, right? We know that orthocenter of the triangle is the point of intersection of all three altitudes, right? So hence all the three altitudes of the triangle passes through the orthocenter, definitely, right? So in particular the line BE, that is altitude B, one altitude, definitely passes through the orthocenter. So the line BE, whose equation is AX plus BY plus C by BQ plus EQ, which is equal to LX plus MY plus N by LP plus MQ, which is passes through in the orthocenter of the triangle ABC. So next method will say to find the vertex B. So the vertex B is the point of intersection of the lines 1 and 2, right? Solving 1 and 2, so 1 into L, LAX plus LBY plus LC equal to 0, right? That is equation number 4, right? This is another method, don't confuse with that 4, right? This is another method, right? So 2 into A, LAX plus MAY plus NA equal to 0, this is equation number 5. Then 4 minus 5, LAX minus LAX get cancelled, so y term only, LBY minus MAY plus LC minus NA equal to 0. So grouping y on the left hand side, take the remaining term to the right hand side, so it will become NA minus LC, right, on the right hand side. So in the left hand side, LB minus MA into y, therefore y is equal to NA minus LC by LB minus MA. Put y is equal to NA minus LC by LB minus MA in equation number 1. So AX plus B into NA minus LC by LB minus MA plus C equal to 0. Therefore AX is equal to, take the remaining term to the other side and multiply with the B, minus NAB, minus into minus plus, right? When it is coming to the left hand side, plus B into NA minus LC by LB minus MA plus C becomes minus B into NA minus LC by LB minus MA minus C. So multiplying with the B, minus NBA, minus into minus plus LBC by LB minus MA minus C. Therefore X is equal to 1 by A minus NBA plus LBC by LB minus MA minus C by A, right? This implies X is equal to minus NBA plus LBC minus C into LB minus MA, taking LCM, right, by A into LB minus MA. So that is equal to minus NBA plus LBC minus LBC plus MAC by A into LB minus MA. Here LBC minus LBC get cancelled, so take A outside from the numerator, then remaining term A into MC minus NB by A into LB minus MA. That is equal to A and A get cancelled, X is equal to MC minus NB by LB minus MA. So the vertex B is X coordinate MC minus NB by LB minus MA and Y coordinate NA minus LB by LC by LB minus MA. We know that slope of the line which is perpendicular to AX plus BY plus C equal to 0 is M is equal to B by A, right? So BE is perpendicular to CA, therefore the altitude BE is perpendicular to the line 3, right? CA is line 3 and BE is nothing but altitude. So altitude is perpendicular to line 3. Therefore slope of BE is using that formula and using the line 3, right? M is equal to Q by P, right? So we know that slope find formula of straight line which passes through x1 y1 is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. This is equation number 6. To find the equation of the altitude BE, so take x1 y1 is nothing but the vertex B, right? Point B, MC minus NB by LB minus MA, comma NA minus LC by LB minus MA, and the slope M is nothing but Q by P. So put it in the equation 6, you will get the equation of the altitude BE, y minus y1 y minus NA minus LB by LB minus MA, which is equal to M into Q by P into X minus MC minus NB by LB minus MA. So this implies just to do the cross multiplication taking LCM also, right? First take the LCM, y into LB minus MA by minus NA minus LC by LB minus MA, which is equal to Q by P. Here also taking the LCM. LCM is LB minus MA, then cross multiply X into LB minus MA minus MC minus NB. This implies so right hand side LCM equal to left hand side LCM, so both get cancelled, so remaining term, so multiply with y, LBY minus MAY minus NA minus into minus plus LC, it is equal to left hand side Q by P X LB minus X MA minus MC plus NB. Then you just cross multiply left hand denominator to the right hand side, that is P with right hand side, PLBY minus PMAY minus PNA plus PLC, which is equal to QXLB minus QXMA minus QMC plus QNB, that is AXMQ plus PLBY, right? So we are bringing all the terms. So we are going to write the x term first, then y term. AXMQ plus PLBY plus QMC plus PLC which is equal to, take all negative terms from the right hand side to left hand side and left hand side negative term to the right hand side. So you will get QXLB, which is equal to QXLB plus PMAY plus QNB plus PNA. So AXMQ plus AXLP minus AXLP, so adding AXLP and subtracting AXLB, plus PLBY, adding MQBY, subtracting MQBY, minus MQBY plus QM plus PL, right? Cos C is common, last two terms, so take it outside, QM plus PL into C, that is equal to QXLB plus PMAY plus QNB plus PNA, right? So grouping that one, AX take it outside, MQ plus LP minus AX LP, then grouping that two terms, BY is common, take it outside, BY into MQ plus LP, right, which is equal to the other term, right, as usual, previous term, right? So AX into MQ plus LP plus BY into MQ plus LP plus QM plus PL into C, which is equal to QXLB plus PMAY plus QB plus PA into N plus AX plus LB AXLB plus MQBY. So MQPL plus PL into, so take it outside, AX plus BY plus C, right, on the left hand side. Next on the right hand side, QXLB, right, then plus PMAY plus QB plus PA into N plus AXLB plus MQBY. So we are grouping red and green terms. So MQ plus PL into AX plus BY plus C, which is equal to LX is common in the red term, red color term, right? BQ plus AP plus in green color term my is common, my into bq plus eq plus bq plus pa into n. So that is equal to mq plus pl into ax plus by plus c, which is equal to bq plus aq is common, take it outside, lx plus my plus n. Therefore ax plus by plus c, take the bq plus ap term on the left hand side to the right hand side, it will come to the denominator by bq plus ap, which is equal to lx plus my plus n on the left hand side, sorry, right hand side. Take the mq plus pl to the right hand side from the left hand side, so it will come to the denominator divided by mq plus pl, which is the equation of B. We know orthocenter of the triangle is the point of intersection of three altitude. Here B is an altitude, so definitely orthocenter should be on B, right? So ax plus by plus c by bq plus aq, which is equal to lx plus my plus n by lp plus mq, passes through the orthocenter. Thanks.